Hi, good morning everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss production possibility frontile. Due to the scarcity of resources, we can't satisfy all our wants and requirements. If an economy uses its all resources efficiently in a best possible manner, its capability will restrict it due to the scarcity of resources. As individuals, we cannot have everything to satisfy our want. So it forces to take the economic decisions. Economic decisions are in the form of choice of alternative goods and services which are best satisfy our wants. The economy also take economic decisions what to produce out of many possible many possibilities of production. Yes, before discuss over the production possibility frontend, we want to know the meaning of a production possibility set. The production possibility set refers to collection of all combinations of goods and services which can produced within a given amount of resources and given stock of technological knowledge. Here resources and technological knowledge are fixed. By using them, the economy produce the goods and services to satisfy the wants and desirements of the people. Now, let's move to the meaning of production possibility frontend. What do you mean by production possibility frontend? You know very well, yes, a graphical representation of all combinations of two commodities which can produce within a given amount of resources and the technology, given amount of technology. Here also resources are fixed, technology is constant. By using them, we need to produce the two goods in different possibilities. To understand this theory, we want to take a few assumptions. Means assumptions for the production possibility frontend. The assumptions are noted as follows. The amount of resources in an economy are fixed. The amount of resources of an economy are fixed, but that the resources we can transfer from one use to another use. And second one, with the help of given resources, we can produce only two goods. And third one, the resources must utilize fully and efficiently, means effectively. And fourth one, yes, we want to assume the technological level is constant, means the technology will not change as I wrote on the board. And this can be, yes, explained with one small schedule. Yes, I will write the schedule on the board which will support and which will explain the production possibility frontend in a simple form and to better understandment. The schedule contains mainly three columns. Column number 1, that is possibility, and column number 2, corner, and column number 3, cotton. Yes, schedule of the production possibility frontend. First column, possibilities, next corn, and next cotton, two goods. And next possibilities are as follows: A, B, C, D, and E. There are 5 possibilities. In a possible A, economy producing 0 corn, 10 cotton. In possibility B, the economy produce the 1 unit of corn, 9 unit of cotton. In third, 2 unit of corn, 7 unit of cotton. And fourth, 3 unit of corn, 4 unit of cotton. And fifth, 4 unit means maximum corn and 0 cotton. 0 cotton. You considered here the economy is producing corn and cotton in many combinations by use the resources or its resources. Means the production of corn and cotton in an economy with the use of resources fully and effectively. Yes, this table or schedule is explaining if the economy use all the resources for the production of corn, the maximum units of corn produced 4 units. In other hand, if economy use its all resources for the production of cotton, the maximum units of cotton produced, that 10 units. Not only these two possibilities, economy have other possibilities of production like 1 unit of corn, 9 unit of cotton, 2 units of corn, 7 unit of cotton, 3 units of corn, 4 units of cotton, 4 units of corn, 0 units of cotton. Yes, at the point on or below is on the schedule. On or below refers to the collection of or combinations of corn and cotton produced in an economy by utilizing resources fully and the efficiently. Yes, this table gives the maximum amount of corn. This table gives information. The maximum amount of corn can produced in an economy for any given amount of cotton. In other hand, yes, the table gives the information. The maximum amount of cotton can be produced in an economy for any given amount of corn. Yes, this table is explaining as resources are used more for corn means maximum corn produce. Resources are used more for the production of cotton means the cotton produce more units. This can be explained with a simple diagram. Yes, diagram we can easily draw in this form as per the table. OY axis and OX axis. OY axis I am measuring the cotton. OX axis I am measuring the corn. Let's we mark the units on OY and OX axis. First I will mark the cotton. Yes, there are 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 3 and 4. Yes, 10 units of cotton, 0 units of corn. 9 units of cotton, 1 unit of corn. 1 unit of corn. Now 7 units of cotton, 2 units of corn, 2 units of corn. Next 4 units of cotton, 3 units of corn, 3 units of corn. And finally 0 units of cotton, 4 units of corn. Let's we join all the points on the diagram. Yes, on the diagram. The diagram is right. Yes, A, B, C, D, E are the possibilities. Here you observe, yes, OY axis cotton, OX axis corn is measured. A, B, C, D, E are the combinations of the production of cotton and corn in an economy with the use of resources or given amount of resources. And here, as I am marking properly, observe here, the point, this point is notable. Yes, note that point. The laying strictly the point below the PPF curve, production possibility curve, refers to the collection or combinations of production of corn and cotton in an economy either underemployed or resources are not fully utilized. Not fully utilized means resources are unnecessarily wasted at this point if the economy select this point for the production of corn and cotton. By the observation of schedule and the diagram, we understood if all the resources are utilized for the production of corn means the corn produces maximum. And if all the resources are used for the production of cotton means the maximum units of cotton is produced. That means more resources used in corn, less resources available for the cotton. More resources used for the cotton, less resources available for the corn production. It means what? If we have more of one good, if we want more of one good means less of another good because of limited resources. Keep in mind, if we want one good more units means we must sacrifice another good, must we postpone, must we give up another good. This can be, yes, we observe and we discuss with the simple topic, that is opportunity cost. Opportunity cost. Yes, what do you mean by opportunity cost? Opportunity cost means yes, the cost of next best alternative sacrificed in order to produce a good. Yes, opportunity cost means the cost of next best alternative sacrificed in order to produce a good. That means if we want one good more means another good must be sacrificed. Let's we take one small example, very simple example. There is a plot of land. That plot of land we can use for multi-purpose. One, agricultural purpose, and second one for the construction of a factory or the school. If we select that land or plot of land for the agriculture means we must give up or must deprive that plot for a factory or the school. Means if we want the agriculture activities means we postpone the construction of factory and the school. No, if we want to construct the factory and school means we sacrifice or postpone or give up the agricultural activities or agricultural production in that land. Yes, this is nothing but opportunity cost. In next class we will discuss about some other topics. Till thank you.